Well, I was working on my farm about 1982, pulling up some corn and a little carrot too. When two low-flying aeroplanes about 100 feet high dropped a bunch of bales of something and some hit me in the eye. So I cut a bale open and man was I surprised. A bunch of large-sized baggies, big white rocks inside. So I took a little sample of my crazy brother Joe. He sniffed it up and kicked his heels, said, "Horton, that's some blow." Bales of cocaine falling from low-flying plane. I don't know who done dropped them, but I think I'm just the same. Bales of cocaine falling like a pouring rain. My life changed completely by the low-flying plane. So I loaded up them bales in my pick-em-up truck, headed west for Dallas, where I would try my luck. I didn't have a notion if I could sell them there. 30 minutes later, I was a millionaire.